Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and in this video I'm going to share with you my Valentine's Day look using the Dyson Airwrap. So I recently got my hands on the complete Dyson Airwrap kit and I'm absolutely enjoying it. I love how it makes my hair look voluminous, healthy, full of life in a matter of minutes without a lot of effort and without damaging my hair at all, not even a bit, and that's what I absolutely love about this device. And now it's time for me to show you my Dyson Airwrap. So this is the kit. I love the way it comes. I love everything that's inside of it as well, and I love the technology because this, this machine uses high pressure and high velocity air, but not high heat, to ensure there's no damage done to your hair while styling and drying them out. And this is literally everything that you will ever need to style your hair, honestly. Alright, so now let's get started with the main segment of this video, that is the hairstyle for which we all are waiting. I'm gonna first use the firm smoothing brush from the kit, which looks somewhat like this. It's going to give me volume around my crown and mid-lengths and also going to smooth out any frizz that's there to ensure the hairstyle looks really, in line, smoothen out, really nice and everything. In case you are going ahead just after a shampoo, then I would suggest you use this style dryer because it helps in drying your roots and your ends very quickly and prepping the hair for the main style very easily. But because it's my second day hair, I'm gonna go with the firm smoothing brush. This is the main machine that does all the magic. I'll show you how it works, but first let's understand how to attach and detach the stylers. All you have to do while attachment is just go in there like that, and it's locked, it's stuck, and when you have to detach it, all you have to do is this and it'll come out that easy. It's super easy to work around with these stylers. I love that. And on the machine here you have the on and off button. This is on, and this is the cool shot when you have to kind of hold it to the the upper end. This is the airflow, this is the heat. There are three levels to everything, so you can literally experiment as per your hair type, what works out the best for you. Right now, because I want that perfect smoothness in my hair, I'm gonna work with high pressure and high heat. So whenever you are styling your hair, I always recommend to work in sections because it makes the whole process very quick, easy, and also effective. And because Dyson Airwrap is a machine that constantly simultaneously dries and styles your hair, I'm also going to dampen my hair ever so slightly just to ensure that the moisture in my hair is able to hold back the style that's happening, is able to hold back the the texture that I'm trying to give to my hair. And because it uses minimum heat, it's important to add a little extra moisture to your strands as well. So I'm going to ever so slightly dampen my hair and start with the styling. So personally, I have very long and fine hair, so I wouldn't be needing to create a lot of sections. 4-5 sections would be enough for my entire hair actually for the smoothing brush. So I have taken this thicker section right now. And once you're done, just give a cool shot like that. Just hold the button and give yourself a cool shot. And that's it. So let me come a little closer and show you guys how it looks. You can see how smooth and nice and finished my hair look. And this is how the ends are. Slight curve. You can have really straight hair as well, and you can give your ends a slight curve as well. And this is how it looks. Let me show you another section very quickly. So this is how my hair looks right after the smoothing session. Alright, so my entire hair are now smoothened and I love how it looks. You can actually keep your hair like this as well on normal days. You can see it has given slight bounce and volume to my front section as well, which is usually super flat. And this is how it looks. Let me show you the back of my hair as well. Looks really, really pretty. Alright, so for this step as well, we are going to divide our hair into sections. So I've taken these really thin sections from the bottom of my hair. And especially with curls, it's very important to divide your hair into sections, and that to small equal size sections to ensure that you get those defined long lasting curls. And because I want really not very tight but somewhat tight curls, I'm going ahead with 30 mm barrels instead of the 40 mm barrels. But if you're somebody who loves that, you know, loose curl effect, then go ahead with the 40 mm barrel. So these are the 30 mm barrels, and both of them have different arrows. If you see, this one is going towards this side, this one is going towards this side. So they both are essentially going to give you outward and inward curls depending on the side you're using it. So this one is going to give you outward curls on this side but inward hair. This is going to give you outward curls hair but inward this side. So you have to kind of, you know, understand that, and according to your preference you can go for outward or inward, or you can also do a mix of both on each side. Like you can do one layer of your hair outward and then another layer inward, just how you like. So let's get started. You can see that I have really long hair, right? So I'm only going to curl the ends, the mid-lengths to ends of my hair, and I'm going to slightly dampen them to ensure that the style stays in place and it holds the texture and the curl a lot better. So I'm going to very slightly dampen this part. What I really love about the curlers of Dyson Airwrap is that, you know, they have that Kwanda effect. So the hair kind of wraps around the barrel on its own. It's really cool to see. So let me show it to you guys. I'm gonna on it. So you kind of count till 10 and then give it a cool shot by just pushing it up. Check if the hair strand is sort of dry completely and cool as well. So I think this is good to go. Now I'm going to switch it off and then very gently release it. So you can see the curl, guys. It looks super pretty. Look at this one. Look at this one. Again, a pretty curl. So I did the middle section off camera. This is how this side of my hair looks, and this is how this side of my hair looks. Now I'm going to do the top section with you guys on camera again. Quickly hairspray just to ensure that these curls last longer. So now I'm going to work on the front section of my hair, and I'm going to use this round brush which is going to give some volume around this area, and it's also going to give some body to the front hair. So let's just do that now. Giving a cool shot to ensure that the bounce stays. I think it's cooled down now. Alright, so I'm finally done with styling my hair, and this is how it looks from the front. It has added a lot of bounce and a lot of body to the front hair. You can see, like, you know, it has a lot of bounce and you know, some volume as well. And this is how it looks from the back. I love the soft, voluminous, romantic curls. This is how it looks from the front. I love how beautiful my hair look right now. Like, love the texture, absolutely. Oh my god. Okay, well, I'm enjoying this hairstyle and I'm gonna enjoy my date as well. I hope you guys also spend some quality time with your loved ones, and if not, with yourself. And I hope you have the best Valentine's Day. I know every day can be a Valentine's Day, but then there's a day, let's as well enjoy it, make it special, right? So yeah, this was my hairstyle. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful, and I am absolutely enjoying Dyson. I know it's an investment, but it's a worth it investment because it has got everything that you can ever need to style your hair, and it's also not damaging. So you can really, you know, play around with your hair without any guilt, without any fear of damaging your hair, and that's the best thing I feel in today's state. So yeah, what are you waiting for? If you have been eyeing Dyson, I think this is the time to get it. Or maybe you can even set a goal that probably you'll get it on Diwali, or, you know, you can set some really ambitious goal for yourself, and once you achieve it, you're going to gift yourself Dyson. I think that's what I'm somebody who does that very often with myself. So that's a tip. You can also do it for yourself. I would definitely recommend it because it's an investment, and I'm not kidding. So yeah, once again, this is the final look. Let me turn around. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye, take care, have some fun, be kind to yourself, be kind to everyone else, and bye-bye, take care.